Some great news for you if you're in the market for selling a home is that you can sometimes get thousands of dollars more for that home if, in fact, it's a smart home. I mean, it's no great secret that a lot of home buyers now are looking for that super fast internet connection. And if you have a Nest thermostat, a smart speaker, and you might be able to actually get more money for your home. So let's take a look at what you need. Number one is a thermostat. First, they look great, sleek metal exterior, bright, easy to read letters, numbers. And in addition to that, just super easy to program and control. Keeps your house cool in the summer, cozy in the winter. And it's a bonus because home buyers, when they see smart thermostats as they walk around, they say, okay, this is a contemporary home. You know, it has the stuff that I want. Number two is a smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector. They're pretty commonplace, and you forget about them until they chirp. But the newer ones will send your smartphone an alert when they need new batteries. And so that's the one that you want to look at. We have products, by the way, on each of these that we will direct you to. Video doorbells, you know, they're actually really terrific. A huge important thing when you're not home, but your kids, elderly parents are. It's important that thieves are also stealing packages at your front door. Now you can get some more video about them and also get notifications when somebody's at your front door. Smart locks are Wi-Fi enabled. They communicate with your smartphone. You just have to get near your smart lock and it will unlock. And then we've got some smart LED bulb choices. And so you can dim the lights so your house is warm and inviting. And that's another way to help your home sell quickly. And a smart speaker is on board so that this way you can actually have music going throughout the house. And the general consensus is that you might want to have some soft classical music in the background. They say that gives your home a sense of quiet sophistication. You can find links to all of these over at the Kim Komando Show homepage, which is, of course, komando.com. That's Komando.com. And once you're there, hit that Show Pigs button right on the homepage.